So today we're in the kitchen again, and I'm kind of finding a theme of trying to get stuff done before the grandbabies get here. So today I want to see if I can show you, have enough time to show you one of my very favorite and easy ways to use up some of those cucumbers. Some of the ones that may get a little bit larger that you don't want to necessarily can. This is a perfect recipe, and it's super easy to make. It lasts for a long time in the fridge, and everybody loves it. Some of the larger ones that haven't gotten too large that I feed to the chickens, but I am going to slice these up. So all I've done is cut off the blossom end. I did that before I put them in the fridge, and then I just did not rinse them yet, but I put them in a baggie, in like a grocery sack, and put them in the drawer the other day. So I got these out, rinsed them off really well, and now we're just gonna slice these up, and I've got some other things we're gonna add. So the other thing I started this past time is a red onion. I'm gonna add some garlic. I'm gonna add some sugar, some vinegar, and some water. So let's get that started. Instead of using a half-gallon jar today that doesn't fit as well in the fridge, I think I'm going to try this. We're going to go with just 2 quarts. I'm hoping all these cucumbers fit in there. If not, maybe I should have just done it all and then kind of measured that. But, oh well, we'll see. Okay, so that's about even. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put the cucumbers in the bowl. And I think instead of using a knife, I'm going to get something else. So I don't really know what this thing is called, but we use it all the time because we do cheese, we do just, you know, anything. And I think I need this today. It does slice it a little bit thinner than probably what I would with a knife, but it does it a lot faster than I do. And this blade does those nice little pickle shapes, which is cool. I think we'll go ahead and see how those fit in the jars. That way I am not getting too many. All right, let's see. We want them packed in there pretty good though. Wow, that was about the perfect amount because I'm barely able to fit those in there. I have these 2. I will probably go ahead and do another jar here in a little bit because I do have 3 more, and I'll just get some more onion and do those. But first, now we're gonna go ahead and make the vinegar sugar water mix that goes on here, and we're gonna add some garlic. So I'm just gonna add, this is something new I didn't do before. I'm just adding about a teaspoon of garlic. It's, you know, barely fitting in that one jar. And then we'll get the other mixture ready. So I'm trying to get down a good recipe. Last time I used 1 part vinegar, 1 part sugar. So this time I wanted it a little bit vinegary, more vinegary, I guess you could say. So I'm going to use 2 parts vinegar and 1 part sugar, and then 1 part water. There's our 1 part water. And then we will just mix this up and pour it. Hopefully it will all fit in there. It did last time. Alright, it's not, I probably shouldn't have put the water in there yet maybe. So I'm just going to, I use a raw cane sugar. So I'm just going to keep it kind of stirred up so that hopefully that sugar gets in there. Whoa, couldn't see that one, overflowed that one a little bit. It's because I saw an air pocket, that's what it was. Okay. All right, perfect. So I'm just gonna put the lids on these, shake them up a little bit, put them in the fridge, and they'll be good in about a day or so. After that, kind of the cucumbers and onions absorb the good flavor of that liquid. All right, let's get the lids on. These will sit for a day or 2 and absorb that liquid in the fridge. And that's it. Those are super easy to make. They are so good, so versatile. I know some people make it a little bit different than I do. That is what is so cool about recipes like this. You can, you know, add stuff to it. Some people put tomatoes. I used to put nothing but the cucumbers in it. So this is just kind of, I really like the red onions because they get sweet and they provide a really pretty color. You could add peppers, you could add some hot peppers, whatever you want. So try it. Let me know what you think. If you have a different recipe, share that below. Let me know what you think about it. And be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to be lovely lights today.